In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from your logo, from your videos. Maybe it's a logo or direct watermark on text. You can do that completely free of charge. So all you need is to come to this online video cutter. Okay, this is it. This is the website. I'll put in the link of the video. And you can come over here, say open a file, so you can just import your file. So this video has a logo as the watermark, so we can just import. And once you import, all you need is to select the area that you want to remove. So let's say I have, in my own case, I can just select. I can select this, and then I can say apply, and this is going to be removed. We can see you can just export your video. In 720, you can just click on export and the video is out without a watermark. So you can click and you'll be able to see this is the video without a watermark. So you can play and you have your video free of watermark. You can do that with text as well. Okay, I add another one. I can just go ahead and import. This is the text I want to remove. I can just highlight that section and then I can click on apply and it is gone. So you can just go ahead and download it. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.